Okay, so after you have completed your roles and responsibility, our next form is going to be the SI planning form. So for every session, you need to fill in an SI planning form for that session that we will be conducting. First of all, you fill in your campus. So let's say, for instance, I am from Mafeking campus. And my surname, I'm going to put in mine and my initials. The date, you need to go from cell to cell. So today is the 16th of the second month, 2018. Okay, then your subject group, let's say for instance that will be English. Your module might be ENLL 111. Then you need to go, alright, have I set out my outcomes? Yes, I have. Have I taken attendance? Yes, I have. And do I have a recall activity? Yes, I do. Then you go and you write what this session is about. So let's say writing a essay. And we were going in this session, we had a group discussion, and we talked to our partners. And if you had a second activity, you put it in there and once again mark your activity that you have done. Then you will have a summary activity. So let's say, for instance, writing a problem statement. Coming up next, you might say looking at references. And then, thank the students for coming. Have you done that? Yes. Promoting the next session. What did you do? Tell them what you had to do. You do reflection on each and every session that you have done. I might have taken explaining a problem statement. Okay, so now you know, alright, I needed to explain it more deeply. The students still struggled. And then you need to go, that one you leave alone. As you would see, I can't type on it. It will tell me, no, you can't type. Then you put in, alright, I started at, let's say, 9 o'clock. So you put in 0, 9, colon, 2, 0. So it's going to be analytic time, and let's say for instance I stopped at 9:30, so I'm going to put in 09 colon 30, and then it will count. Alright, my session was 30 minutes. This you leave alone. Once you print, then you will have to go and sign it. Your lecturer will have to sign there afterwards, and you will sign there. If you only want to print this very page, then you go back to the top and you highlight everything up until that very last point where you had to sign. And then very important, you go to page layout, print area, and you say set print area. Then only this page will print. If you say file print, it's going to print 80 pages since I made 80 planning forms. This is also very important when you print everything at the end. Just mark those that you have filled in and say print area, set print area, so only those print. And that's your SI planning form. When you have to conduct your next session, only thing is you scroll down, then you will have yet another planning form. Your campus is already filled in because it carries over from your first form, as well as your surname and initials. The rest you have to fill in once again from the beginning to the end.